Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na pwede sa Pag-ibig Financing? Check out mo itong Marquina Residences. Located ito sa Barangay Kupang, Antipolo, Rizal. Malapit po ito sa Lilac Panorama, SM Masinag, Marcos Highway, and Ayala Mall, Marikina Heights. This is a townhouse project na kung saan may 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. At meron din po itong balcony. As of now, pre-selling ang mga available na units dito. And ongoing po ang aming construction. Ang typical lot area ay 50 square meters. Floor area naman ay 78 square meters. Ang minimum price as of now ay 4,450,000. Ang reservation fee naman ay 20,000 lamang. Ang maganda rito, pwedeng installment ang down payment na as of now nasa 30,000 plus lamang. And kami na rin po ang mag-a-assist sa inyo sa inyong Pag-ibig Financing. So kung interesado ka na makita ito personal, contact the number that you see on your screen. This is your sales agent, Jonathan B. Tolentino. Yun lang, salamat!